Charles Anderson sat on his mother's covered porch in rural Winfield, Alabama, Wednesday afternoon, chain-smoking Chesterfield 100s and sipping sweet tea from a mason jar as rain poured down on her carefully tended garden. Barely 24 hours earlier, Anderson was locked up with 3 other men in a 6 by 10-foot cell in the Marion County Jail. The Army veteran served 28 days in the aging North Alabama facility after he was arrested last month for an unpaid debt. He had failed to make monthly payments on fines and fees associated with 3 court cases dating back as far as 2003. The only reason he was able to be there in his sanctuary, among the budding lantanas, weigela and roses of Sharon is because Linda Jacobs, his 72-year-old mother, cashed her monthly Social Security check on July 3, went to the circuit clerk's office in the county seat of Hamilton on Tuesday, and paid $1,000 toward his outstanding court-ordered debts of more than $2,500. I offered to pay $300, and they called and told the judge, and the judge said he had to pay $1,000 to get out, Jacobs told Al.com on July 2. They take away your freedom, they lock you up, and you pay or they keep you locked up. It's not right. Several other people remain incarcerated in Marion County solely because they are poor and don't have loved ones with the financial resources to buy their freedom. One man has been locked up in the jail since March, when he was arrested at a Winfield Walmart on 3 counts of failure to pay. A court document states that he would be released from county custody immediately if he were to come up with the $2,819.70 of court-ordered debts he currently owes. Another man has been held in the jail since he was arrested in April for failure to pay. His writ of arrest states that he may be released upon payment of court costs, fines and restitution of $4,182.56. Arresting people for failure to appear is a standard policing practice. But arresting them for failure to pay court-ordered fines, fees and restitution is far less common. Holding people in jail over unpaid debts they don't have the financial wherewithal to pay violates federal laws and constitutional protections against operating a debtor's prison, according to Leah Nelson, who studies failure to pay cases in her role as research director at Alabama Appleseed Center for Law and Justice. I really do see this as a human rights crisis, said Nelson. You're destroying people's lives, you're taking them away from their families and from their jobs. You are completely destabilizing them to punish them for not having money that they don't have. It's like a donut hole. That's what this system is. It doesn't make sense. Yet in Marion County, the justice system repeatedly cycles low-income people in and out of jail for failing to pay debts. In my opinion, it's debtor's prison because I owe money and you're gonna lock me up for it, Anderson said.